Hey, Hiccup girl. What are you doing?
Hiccuping.
Where are you going?
Like.
Just turn this light on over here. Try it again.
No.
Where are you going?
Black Lake.
Okay, what's your name?
Allie.
Your full name?
I don't know, say my full name.
How old are you?
12.
How old do you act?
Hey!
What's the date today?
July. I have no idea.
13th. Okay, what year is it?
Okay.
Who's the president?
Well, I haven't been decided yet because the election was in.
Who's the current president of the United States, Allison?
Bush.
Nothing like hiccup talk. That's just hilarious.
Hey, stop it.
So, how are we going to identify you when your body goes missing?
I'll be wearing the gloves.
I go back. I go.
The Tinkerbell pants that actually match the glove.
Are you joking?
Look.
Are you joking?
Well, what do you know?
Are you joking?
Yeah.
I didn't bet it.
Bring your leg up.
I don't like this machine.
I don't know, Miss Machine.
Hey. Love, hugs, kisses, and tickles.
It's tickles.
I hate hiccups. No, I'm kidding.
I love you.
You're feeling me, aren't you?
I've been feeling you the whole time.
Mommy?